In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename versions in history in Google Docs. This is a handy feature for those of you who want to keep your document edits neat and tidy, allowing you to identify key changes more easily. Let's dive in and make sure we have a clear understanding of how to do this. First, we'll start by heading over to Google Docs. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Google Docs in the search bar. Once you're on the Google homepage, click on the Google Docs link to open it. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Otherwise, you won't be able to access your documents. Once you're within Google Docs, open up the document for which you'd like to rename a version in its history. You might have a list of documents that you've previously worked on, so take your time to locate the correct file. After you've opened your document, look towards the top left corner of your screen, and you'll see a menu titled File. Go ahead and click on that. In the drop-down menu under File, look for the option labeled See Version History. By selecting this, you'll open a panel on the right side of your screen, displaying all the previous versions of your document. This is an excellent way to track changes over time and ensures that nothing gets lost as your document evolves. Now it's time to find the specific version you want to rename. You'll see a list of dates and times that correspond to different saved versions. Browse through these and select the one you're interested in. This allows you to get a visual comparison of changes made in that update. Once you've clicked on a particular version, your next step is to look for the option Name This Version, which should appear next to or under the selected version. Click on it, and a text box will appear for you to type in a new name. Keep it descriptive. Something like First Draft or Final Edits could suffice. Providing clear names for your versions can be extremely helpful, especially when you return to your document later and need to find specific changes quickly. After you've entered the new name, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard, and voila! Your version is now renamed. This step finalizes the action and updates the version history, making it easier to navigate through your document's past iterations in the future. And there you have it. Those are the steps to rename versions in Google Docs history. Following these instructions can help you maintain an organized overview of your document and streamline your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other Google Docs guides for more tips and